Hi, it's Liz from Style Temple and welcome to the Melbourne Home Show. This is the first time we've exhibited and we're very excited to show you a number of new products we have in stock, starting with the green wall where you can choose the size of the wall and the plants that you have, and we can custom the wall for you. Introducing our new range of marble basins which come in black, cream and grey, and we also have a new range of Italian Carrara white marble basins. Going on from the marble basins, we also have a range of marble tiles from small hex, large hex, herringbone, which is very popular, through to arabesque and large format marble tiles. We also do trim tiles and a number of tumbled marble tiles as well. We have a large range of patio outdoor furniture and indoor furniture. You can see a range here also of the natural lighting we have, most of which also comes in black, very popular at the moment. We also do hand knotted rugs. We're actually famous for our hand knotted rugs. We can do any size, any colour, any shape, any design. We have a large range of outdoor furniture, starting with tables like this where we can custom the size of the table and also change the design of the base if you'd like. Range of crystal lighting, where glass crystal, and once again a range of sizes and styles. Coming through to our upholstered furniture, we have several ranges of sofas, including the Ellie sofa here and the Otto Ottoman, which comes in a number of different sizes, different metal finishes and fabrics. Very popular at the home show. And we can do any of these products in leather, linen, velvet or faux leather. More of our lighting over here, and we have a number of eclectic and individual home decor pieces. We're actually known for our eclectic pieces so that your home is individual to you. They're sitting on beautiful bone inlay chest. We have a range of bedsides, beds, chests, consoles, and custom pieces we can have made in different designs, patterns and colours. We also do a range of mirrors, and on the back wall of our stand we have just 3 of the different mirrors we have, but we have about 40 different styles, and they can be with an antique finish or a normal finish. Very popular indoors and out. We also have a large range of stools, from upholstered stools to outdoor stools, wooden and rattan stools. Found that finding the right stool is a difficult decorating option, so we have a number of those. Coming back to some of the outdoor furniture, we have a number of hanging chairs. This is one of the popular ones we have. It also comes in black. It's poly rattan with a sunbrella cushion base. It's fully outdoors, so unlike a lot of other hanging chairs, you can actually safely leave it outside in the sun and the rain and it will still actually be a pristine piece. We have a show special, which is our Resistor Adirondack outdoor chair. It's a polywood, so it's actually made from recycled products. It comes in a range of about 15 different colours, and you can get it in chairs, benches, couches, footstools, side tables and dining tables, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. And back here we have some more decor pieces and some of the art that we carry. On the floor we have one of our natural rugs. This is a handmade Abaca rug. It's actually made from a member of the banana leaf family, and the Abaca rug is actually the strongest natural fibre. So stronger than sisal or seagrass or any of the other types of natural rugs that are around, particularly good in heavy traffic areas. We'd love you to come to the Melbourne Home Show and see our range of products and talk to you about what your home needs.